The billing transaction report gives you an overview of all the different transactions at your center. You can see every charge you have billed, all the offline and online payments you have received, any refunds you have given, and any failed online payments. You can use the Refine By box to filter what data you want to look at for any given date range. Let's say you want to see all the online payments for a particular student. You would choose the student's name, and then under Transaction Type, you would choose Online Payments. Be sure to click Create Report to apply the filter. You can export the report to see additional data or to find totals. You can either filter for specific data points before the export or choose to filter in Excel. Click the Export button on the top right and choose the fields you want to populate in a spreadsheet. This will send a CSV file to your email. Or you can enter an email for it to be sent to as well. You can then open the file as an Excel file or in Google Sheets. Let's say you want to find the total of all the offline and online payments at your center. First, you want to filter for those two types of payments, and then you want to find the total. First, highlight the top row so you can apply the filter. To do this, click on the 1 on the top left-hand corner. Next, on the top right-hand corner of the sheet, click on the filter icon to create a filter. Use the filters to organize the data how you want. For example, filter for just online and offline payments under the Transaction Type column. Now you will just see the offline and online payments. If you want to find a total of all the payments after a filter is applied, you need to find a subtotal. First, go to the column that you want to sum, for example the amount column, and go to the first open cell in that column. Then type the following formula in the cell: equals subtotal 9, comma, and then the range of cells you want to sum. For example, in the filtered data below, you are summing the payment of 50 and 220. You can either click on -50 and drag your mouse down to -220, or you can type the range of cells using a colon to separate the first and last cell. For example, -50 is in the cell M18, and -220 is in the cell M25. So you can write the range as M18 colon M25. After you've typed the formula in the open cell, close the parentheses, then hit Return or Enter. This will give you the subtotal of all the offline and online payments that you have received in the respective time period that the data has been collected from. For example, the total of all the offline and online payments is 370. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@mybrightwheel.com.